Breaking news, the SEC officially dropped the Ripple XRP case. If you have any interest in Ripple or you hold any XRP, then you need to see this. So what is the latest XRP news? Will the Federal Reserve buy XRP at a high price? And how will all of this affect the value of XRP? In today's video, we will answer these questions and tell you all of the new price-boosting information about XRP. Also, here's some exciting news. We're gearing up for a spectacular XRP giveaway as we near the 6,000 subscriber milestone. Participating is super easy with 3 steps. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and toggle on notifications to join our community. Also, remember to drop a #XRP is king in the comments to ensure you're in the running for the giveaway. But before we get to our topic, let's see what the price of XRP is doing on the 19th of March, shall we? XRP's price today is around $2.33. XRP's price is up 3% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.9 billion. The cryptocurrency also has a market cap of over $129 billion, ranking it as the 4th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please remember that prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now let's get into it. Ripple might reach a turning point soon. Here is why. The ongoing legal dispute between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is nearing a critical stage. Meanwhile, the potential approval of XRP-focused exchange-traded funds is drawing significant attention from investors and financial analysts. These two major developments could influence the future of XRP and its role in the financial sector. Ripple versus SEC, key court hearing approaches. The SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs in December 2020 because the company used XRP tokens for unregistered security sales. The case establishes fundamental guidelines for cryptocurrency rulemaking in the United States, since the court ruling will determine the regulatory classification of digital assets under financial statutes. New information indicates that SEC staff are reassessing their approach to the lawsuit following ongoing workplace assessments. Expert analysis suggests XRP should qualify as a commodity asset between traditional market commodities like gold and oil. Ripple has scheduled its court submission against SEC claims for April 16, 2025. A favorable decision could provide much-needed regulatory clarity for XRP while setting a legal precedent for the broader cryptocurrency industry. XRP ETF applications await SEC decision. Meanwhile, the approval process for XRP ETFs is another major development that could impact the cryptocurrency market. As of March 12, 2025, 9 financial firms, including Grayscale, Bitwise, ProShares, and Franklin Templeton, have applied to launch XRP-focused ETFs. These investment products aim to provide regulated exposure to XRP while increasing liquidity in the market. Grayscale submitted a request to convert its current XRP trust into an ETF, reflecting increasing investor interest. XRP ETF applications remain under review by the SEC, although the organization demonstrated acceptance of filing permits, which could lead to altering its regulatory stance. Official policies from the current administration suggest strengthening the recognition of digital assets in financial system frameworks. The Crypto Strategic Reserve, established by President Donald Trump, includes XRP, leading experts to think that the cryptocurrency faces adoption by regulatory bodies. Regulatory leadership and market speculation. Changes in leadership at the SEC could also influence the regulatory outlook for cryptocurrencies, including XRP. According to Cointelegraph, Trump's nominee for SEC Chair, Paul Atkins, is moving closer to confirmation as the new head of the agency. A Senate hearing on his appointment is scheduled for March 27, 2025, according to Semaphore's Eleanor Mueller. Atkins is recognized for his market-friendly approach and could introduce policies that support digital asset innovation. His leadership may accelerate ETF approvals while reshaping existing regulations affecting XRP and other cryptocurrencies. Investors are closely watching his confirmation process because it could have a lasting impact on digital asset markets. Market impact and future prospects. A favorable legal outcome combined with ETF approvals could significantly impact the value of XRP in the financial markets. Analysts believe that institutional interest in XRP may rise, similar to the surge after Bitcoin futures ETFs received regulatory approval. Some projections estimate that XRP's market capitalization could reach $200 billion if institutional investment levels increase significantly. Regulatory clarity would stabilize XRP while attracting more investors seeking structured exposure to digital assets. The upcoming court decision and the SEC's stance on ETFs will be crucial in determining XRP's future within the global financial ecosystem. If you are still watching this video, then please drop a like on the video. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But make sure to keep watching to find out the latest XRP news. Here's how high XRP may go irrespective of the SEC verdict. Ripple is gaining maximum steam these days, and the reasons for this are pretty obvious. The token is now an official part of the US crypto reserve and has gained immense traction for the past few days. At the same time, the SEC has lately been dropping legal cases against major financial giants, which has activated the speculatory whims of the market. The speculation is now running amok whether the US SEC will soon drop the legal case filed against Ripple, liberating the token to perform at its best. However, there has been a significant delay in the process, which has led the community members to speculate about the price that XRP may soar and sit at once its verdict is out. But from a fresh perspective, here's how high XRP may soar irrespective of the verdict based on its future proceedings and performance. Ripple is currently conquering global dominions. The token is now an official part of Trump's crypto reserve, which is giving immense power to the token to bank on. At the same time, XRP is also one of the leading tokens to be a part of the growing ETF narrative. Nearly 16 XRP ETFs have been filed with the US SEC as of now, which is also pushing the token to perform at its best. At the same time, Ripple is brimming with new price developments, including speculation about the firm launching its custody wallet. It looks like we may be getting a crypto wallet from Ripple. They filed a trademark for downloadable software. Since last year, Ripple has expanded its payment and custody offerings via the acquisition of various financial companies. They also intensified their blockchain educational efforts. And with this move, we may see yet another expansion into crypto custody, which will be bullish for XRP. In addition to this, Ripple's stablecoin arena is also gaining immense traction in the middle. The US government is also preparing to push the stablecoin market ahead, which once again is bullish for XRP, considering the firm has already launched the RLUSD stablecoin into the space. Per Dark Defender, a notable cryptocurrency analyst, XRP is headed towards claiming the $5 price mark in the near future. The primary correction on the weekly, daily frame and 4-hour structure is over for XRP. There will be more minor ups and downs. We check daily in detail. XRP has started wave 1 with an aim of 5.85. Supports 230, 222, resistances 339, 585. The upcoming weeks will be fantastic. Now, if you want to find out more of the latest news that could have an impact on the price of XRP, then check out the video on screen now, or check out our playlist of this month's biggest XRP news stories. All these videos are packed with valuable information. Thank you for watching, and goodbye, XRP Army.